A very good morning to all of you. Myself Anju, PGT Chemistry from Government Senior Secondary School, Badwasni, Sonipat. Today I am going to discuss a very simple introductory topic of chemistry, which is very beneficial for the students who opt science stream in your 11th class. So students, today we are going to discuss about matter. As we observe different type of matter around us, and matter around us exists in three different states. First of all, we should know what matter is. Everything in universe made up of material named as matter, like air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants and animals, even a small drop of water and particle of sand, everything is matter. We see all the things mentioned above occupy space and have mass. In other words, we can say that they have both mass and volume. So we always said them they are matter. The second thing we discuss is states of matter. As you know, you study in earlier classes in 9th and 10th. Matter around us exists in three different states. And what are three different states? These states are solid, liquid and gases. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of particles of matter. So today we will discuss about three different states of matter. So the first state of matter is solid. As the name indicates, for explaining solids, we took a notebook or a pen. What we see? We see that this pen or this object have a definite shape, distinct boundaries and a fixed volume that have negligible compressibility. Solids have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break but under pressure, but it is difficult to change their shape. So they are rigid. So the questions for you is, write down the questions. What about a rubber band? A rubber band your mother, your sister use at their homes. What about a rubber band? You explain me, is it solid or not? The second question is, what about a sugar and salt crystal? I am repeating, what about sugar and salt crystals? Are they solids or not? So we are going to next part. This is liquids. Liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. They take up the shape of a container in which they are kept. As like this bottle. I fill water in this bottle and water containing the shape of this bottle. And if I will pour this water in this glass, the water contains the shape of this glass, this container. This is the property of a liquid. So, liquids always take up the shape of container in which they are kept. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid, but can be called fluid because they flow. Now, questions for you. First question is, when you take a water and oil, contain some water and some oil into different containers, then split them on floor. Does the shape of liquid remain same or not? The third topic is gases. Gases is one of the three fundamental states of matter. Pure gas may be made up of individual atoms, elements, molecules and made from one type of atom. For example, oxygen. Oxygen is made up of oxygen atom. Or compound molecules made from a variety of atoms. For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen. Gases have no fixed shape but have no fixed volume. They expand to fill the space available. They can also be compressed into a very small shape. They have the largest intermolecular distance. So, the question for you is now, we use two different gases in our daily life, and these are LPG and CNG. You hear them? You heard about them in your daily life? Yes, you heard about them in your daily life. So you can tell me the full form of these two gases, LPG and CNG. This is your homework, and you can send me all that in my personal number. Thank you.